Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can change the design of buttons in Site123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click in homepage, go to design, then go to customize, advanced. In advanced, you want to click on buttons. In buttons, you can change the button style from rounded to lightly rounded to slightly pointed. It's really up to you which one you choose. And then you get also button font style, and you can also change these, so bold, uppercase, really up to you. And that's how you do it. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments and I will try to help you and give you some feedback. And yeah, thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.